Okay guys, in my last community post, I asked you the best way to strengthen column and the maximum of you have cast your vote in favor of providing a bracing. Okay, so in this video, I will discuss how we can actually strengthen any column. Okay, so the first option is, of course, we can increase the section size, and here you can see 29% of you have cast your vote in favor of this, and 71% of you have said that providing bracing or reducing the effective length is the best way to strengthen the column. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon so that in future you can be benefited. Okay, so if we have any column which have some axial load, what is the effect? Of course, after a certain amount of load, it will simply buckle like this. Okay, and now if you are not familiar with the strength and the slenderness ratio of any column, in that case, here you can see that if we increase the slenderness ratio, in that case our stress is reduced. Okay, so the best way to increase the stress or the strength is we can actually reduce the slenderness ratio. Got it? Okay, now tell me, here you can see that in the formula slenderness ratio is nothing but the ratio of effective length and the radius of gyration. Okay, so if we increase the radius of gyration or the R, the slenderness ratio is reduced. Okay, and also here you can see that R is a function of moment of inertia, or I. So if we increase the I or the moment of inertia, we can increase the radius of gyration, or you can say we can reduce the slenderness ratio. So the one option is to simply increase the moment of inertia or the section size. Okay, now let's look into the other option. Okay, so we have a column that have some load, and this is the relation between strength and slenderness ratio. So we have already discussed about the effect of R. So now we have LE, which is also known as effective length. Okay, so to reduce the slenderness ratio, what we have to do? Simply we have to reduce the effective length to increase the stress. Got it? Now what is the way to reduce or to decrease the effective length? Simply we can provide some intermediate support like this. Okay, so after providing this type of intermediate support, simply our strength increases and the buckling shape is not like this anymore. Now the buckling shape of the column looks like this. Got it? So we have discussed both the options. First option was we can increase the section size, and second option was we can reduce the effective length. Okay, now why 71% of you have casted your vote in favor of this second option? Okay, let's discuss. Okay, so let's say we have multiple column. Okay, here I have provided only 5 column. Let's say you have 50 columns. Okay, or even it is not 50, let's say you have 10 column. So when all the columns are under the action of lateral load, not axial load, okay, lateral load like this, to increase the strength of the column, if you increase the section size, it is not going to give you the economical result. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, you have to go for the second option, or you have to reduce the effective length. So what you have to do to reduce the effective length? Simply you have to provide some intermediate support like this. Now let's say to provide the intermediate support, you are simply providing the strut like this. So what are you thinking? The buckling effect or the effective length will be halved? Let's see, even after providing the strut, the buckling shape will be like this. Why? Because the strut is nothing but connecting all the column, and it will simply show it towards the right direction or towards the direction of application of forces. Okay, so what you have to do, actually reduce the effective length, provide a bracing anywhere. It may be at the middle, it may be at the end, like this. Got it? Now all the loads are simply going to the strut first, then from the strut to the bracing, and then to the support, and you have effectively halved down all the length of the column. Okay, so That was today's topic. If you like this, please don't forget to share it.